In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files and folders to Google Drive. If you want to store documents online, back up important content, or make sharing easier across devices, Google Drive is a simple and reliable option. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to upload both individual files and entire folders so you can keep your content organized and accessible from anywhere. To begin, go to your Google Drive homepage. This is the main area where you can view your stored files, folders, and shared content. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before you start, especially if you use more than one account for work or personal use. Once you're on the Google Drive home screen, look toward the top right corner and click on New. This button opens the menu that lets you add content to your drive. It's the main starting point for creating folders, uploading files, and adding other types of content. From that menu, if you want to upload a single file, click File Upload. This option is best for things like PDFs, images, spreadsheets, presentations, or individual documents saved on your computer. After you click it, a file browser window will open so you can choose the file you want to add to Google Drive. If instead you want to upload a full folder, click Folder Upload. This is useful when you want to move several related files at once while keeping them grouped together in the same structure they already have on your device. It can save time and help you stay organized, especially when you're working with project folders or collections of documents. After choosing either File Upload or Folder Upload, select the item from your device. Browse to the location where your file or folder is saved, click on it, and confirm your selection. Google Drive will then begin uploading it. Depending on the size of the file or folder and the speed of your internet connection, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. While the upload is in progress, you may see a status indicator in Google Drive. It's a good idea to wait until the upload is complete before closing the browser tab, just to make sure everything finishes properly. Once it's done, your file or folder will appear in your drive and be ready to open, organize, or share. And that's how to upload files and folders to Google Drive. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.